NMACC यानी नीता मुकेश अंबानी कल्चरल सेंटर के इफ्तिताह का आज तीसरा दिन है। आज भी बॉलीवुड और हॉलीवुड के मारूफ अदाकारों के पहुंचने का सिलसिला जारी रहा। इसके अलावा दीगर शोबों की अहम शख्सियात भी आज प्रोग्राम में हिस्सा लेने पहुंची। कुछ अहम नामों की बात करें तो मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन तंदुलकर, बॉलीवुड अदाकारा माधुरी दीक्षित, सोनम कपूर, मारूफ फिल्म डायरेक्टर राजकुमार हिरानी यहां पहुंचे। आइए सुनते हैं उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा।
How are we feeling?
Sachin sir, how does it feel to be one of the first amongst everybody to come here and experience the NMACC?
Spectacular. I mean anything that Mukesh bhai and Nita bhabhi does, I think is just out of this world, because the enormity and to celebrate Indian culture.
Yep.
It's the beginning of something really special. I'm looking forward to this evening.
Yes.
I know it's going to be really spectacular and something that I'm looking forward to.
It's very true. Thank you so much for joining us tonight and have an amazing time.
How are we feeling this evening?
Good, excited to be here.
Yeah. And when you saw the Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center for the first time, what were your thoughts?
I thought, who better to do this? Today we'll see how Indian fashions and our designs and our textiles have, impacted on a very global platform. And I'm very excited to see that, because a lot of designers are going to, showcase their talent here, and I'm looking forward to that.
What about you? What came to mind for you first?
I think in a word, stunning.
Yeah.
They've done everything so brilliantly, and I think it's on a different level.
Well, I hope you enjoy the show. I'm sure you will, actually. Thank you for speaking with us. Thank you.